Dealing with hair loss carries a heavy weight. The drive to stop worrying and run a hand through a full head of hair is powerful. Clinics now use precision scalp mapping and hair systems perfectly matched to your exact texture. When customized systems are blended into natural hair, the transition becomes invisible to the naked eye, removing the barrier that made older patches obvious. Because modern patches and wigs use these high-quality materials and individualized fittings, visual detection has become practically impossible in daily life. Since the visual appearance is now a solved variable, your primary decision moves toward the mechanics of daily wear. The attachment method you choose will define your physical comfort and routine for years to come. If you spend your day worrying about a patch slipping, the realism of the hair doesn't matter. Total confidence relies on selecting a secure method. It must stay exactly where it belongs, regardless of your activity level. The adhesion method you choose completely dictates your daily routine, physical comfort, and how you interact with your hair. Look at this checklist. We can already cross out the goal of achieving a natural look. That leaves us with the variable of how it stays on, which forces you down one of two distinct paths. The first method is hair clipping. This is the purely mechanical option. The second method is hair bonding. This relies on skin-friendly adhesives. Selecting between these determines whether your hair system operates as a temporary accessory you manually control or a permanent integration into your daily body. Hair clipping involves taking a customized hair system and attaching it to your existing, surrounding hair using small, built-in mechanical clips. The direct result is maximum daily flexibility. Because it relies on simple clips, you can easily put it on and take it off yourself without needing to schedule a professional appointment. This flexibility offers a distinct physiological benefit. You can remove the system at night, giving your scalp room to breathe while you sleep, or leave it off entirely on days when you stay home. That flexibility demands a trade-off. By its very design, hair clipping is an inherently temporary solution. It requires active daily effort. You have to manually manage the system, placing it accurately in the morning and removing it before bed. Unlike permanent methods, clips cannot offer unwavering 24/7 security. Because they rely on gripping your natural hair, heavy physical activity or aggressive pulling can shift them out of place. This requires a shift in how you think about your hair. You have to actively plan around it, deciding when to wear the system based on the events of your day. Choosing hair clips means you are trading continuous integration in exchange for absolute control over when, where, and how you wear your hair. Hair bonding takes a different approach. This technique attaches the hair system directly to your scalp using specialized, skin-friendly adhesives. This creates a highly secure, unwavering hold. The system stays locked in place through daily activities, workouts, and showers without shifting. It creates a semi-permanent seal. Because it doesn't move and you sleep in it, the system continuously feels like your natural hair, effectively removing hair loss from your daily thoughts. The trade-off here is rigid commitment. Bonding requires you to wear the system 24 hours a day, 7 days a week until it is professionally serviced. You cannot simply unclip it at the end of a long, sweaty day if you feel tired of wearing it. It completely relies on chemical adhesives rather than a mechanical grip. You must be physically and mentally comfortable with the reality of having an adhesive resting directly on your skin for weeks at a time. Choosing hair bonding means you sacrifice your daily autonomy to achieve the highest possible level of set-it-and-forget-it security. This matrix plots these methods against lifestyle metrics. Wear duration. Clips are temporary. Bonding is continuous. Security. Clips use a mechanical grip. Bonding uses an unwavering seal. Flexibility. Clips allow instant removal. Bonding demands rigid commitment. Effort. Clips require daily intervention. Bonded systems are passive. Neither method is objectively superior to the other. They simply serve opposite tolerances for friction and effort in your daily life. To make the right choice, you have to look honestly at your own habits and identify which of two psychological profiles you actually fit into. The first is the flexibility-first profile. This is someone who highly values their autonomy, actively prefers to sleep with a bare scalp, and is cautious about long-term physical commitments. The second is the integration-first profile. This is someone who desires maximum security, wants the psychological comfort of waking up with a full head of hair every single day, and strongly dislikes performing daily maintenance. Accurately identifying your profile is the only way to prevent buyer's remorse. You have to match the system to your actual daily habits, rather than an idealized version of how you think you might act. This flowchart distills the ultimate question you must answer. What is your primary goal? If you prioritize temporary control and want the freedom to take your hair off daily, then the mechanical solution is for you. Choose hair clipping. But if you prioritize continuous, effortless integration and want to entirely forget about hair loss during your routine, then the adhesive solution matches your lifestyle. Choose hair bonding. Both of these methods are safe, customizable, and non-surgical. The most successful choice is simply the one providing the
Visit Get Look Hair Fixing in Noida Sector 18. Book your consultation today.